Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have green hair, blue-green hair. Yeah, it's if you saw my last video, I was like really crazy and spontaneous, and I wanted to dye my hair like blue or aquamarine is what the actual color was. So I did that and I really liked it, and I really diluted it though, okay? So it's like faded like crazy fast, and so now I'm kind of like, okay, I think I want my blonde hair back. So I really like the blue hair, but I love my blonde hair, so that's what we're gonna do today. And I've watched a few videos showing how to like strip this color without using bleach, and yeah, then after that though we probably will bleach it just so I can get my roots taken care of, and then we're gonna tone it. I bought the Wella T18 and I'm hoping to look like Khaleesi. And yeah, so I will show you what I do to strip the hair without chemicals, and then I'll show you the chemicals I use, and then I'll show you the more chemicals I use, and yeah, so let's get to it. Okay, first things first, change into some clothes that don't matter. Grab a baggie. Man, I have these plastic ones, but I would really prefer not to use those. I have the silicone bags, but like I also don't want to like puncture it. So I guess we're going with the plastic one. So I'm not going to talk a whole lot during this because when I turn the light, the fan automatically comes on. But what you'll need is vitamin C. I just bought literally the cheapest one on Amazon. Hopefully it works. I don't know if it will, but that's why we're doing this, to kind of like see and be able to tell. And then some dandruff shampoo. I guess Head and Shoulders, Equate. We get the off-brand because it's cheaper. Apparently Brandon doesn't like it as much, but I'm going to use it all so he can buy his brand name one. Anyways, all you do is you're going to crush these up, the vitamin C pills, and then add the dandruff shampoo, and then you're going to apply it to your head, okay? So you'll be able to see that. I use like maybe half the bottle, I'd say. I really don't know like the measurements. I just heard to whatever you do, just match the dandruff shampoo to it, like equal ratios. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so this is what I got. You can see it's kind of clumpy. I, for the life of me, could not crush the freaking pills up. So I heard you can buy vitamin C powder, but it was like 20 bucks, and I was like, no, I'll buy the pills for $4 and save myself, because then I was adding it up and I was like, I could go to a hairdresser for the same price if, like, when buying all the stuff, like the T18 Wella stuff and the bleach and blah blah blah. So I decided to make it cheaper and do that. So now I'm just going to section off my hair into 4 parts. 2 down here, 2 up here, brush it all out, and I don't think I'm going to hit my roots because there's really no color on the root, and this is a stripping method, so I don't need to strip my roots because there's no color on them. Just need to strip this greeny blue color. I'm on to the back section now. I don't think it's lightening so far, but I watched a video where this girl left it in for 2 hours, so I'll probably have to leave it in there for a while to start seeing the effects. But so far, it's not that hard. I mean, it's not too bad. But alright, I'm gonna start on the back side so I can be finished and clean my house after this. I've covered my whole head completely. It's a little dry, so I'm gonna wet it and then I'm gonna put it in a bag and then I'm gonna let it sit until I get my house cleaned. So maybe like an hour or two, I don't know. But I'll keep you posted and we'll see if this lightens any. Okay guys, so it's been an hour and 30 minutes. I got some cleaning done and now it's time to see if this did anything at all. Oh wow. Yeah, it actually lightened it like a lot. I don't think that you can tell. That piece didn't get lightened, which sucks, but I can just bleach it. That's what we're gonna do anyways. But yeah, I'm gonna wash this out and then I will see you guys after it's all washed and air dried. Guys, I am like genuinely impressed with that method. Like, I cannot believe how much that actually like stripped out of my hair. Like, that's insane. Yeah, it still has like some green color and stuff, but dang, that's insane. Like, with no chemicals. Okay, internet, you win this round. Seriously, that's awesome. Okay, wow, middle part, not my thing. So now I'm going to bleach my hair. So yeah, that's the scary part because usually my husband does it for me and he's not here right now, so I'm gonna do it myself. And oh Lord, okay, yeah, I don't know what that is. I'm just like really excited that this actually kind of worked. So now it's time to bleach my hair, and after the bleaching I will tone it. So yeah. Wow, awesome. Okay, yeah, see you in a second. Okay, so now I have my bleach and my volume stuff. All you're gonna do is add equal parts. Kind of just depends on your hair and your hair thickness, style, lift, blah, blah, blah. So just do equal parts and then start applying it to your head. Wow, yeah, ignore this middle part. I don't know what's going on. Okay, so that's what my mixture looks like. Just make sure it's creamy and all mixed together in a non-metallic bowl, and then start applying and hope for the best. Okay, the bag is on. To be honest, I'm a little nervous about my hair. I don't know. I hope that it's okay. I don't know. We'll see. I'm only leaving it on for 15 minutes because I'm like scared. So fingers crossed I don't ruin my hair. I'm super scared. Oh God. Toner's on. Sorry I didn't show it. I was like literally freaking out. I'm still freaking out. Yeah, I don't know what that was. I'm sorry, but yeah, I'll be washing this off here in just a couple minutes and we'll see the final product. Okay guys, sorry for like the bad camera angle, but I have not seen my hair. I just finished toning it and I'm like terrified. I have like, I don't know, I'm like seriously so scared to see it because the last time I saw it, it was literally bright yellow, and I'm terrified because my scalp still burns. So there's that. What I have learned throughout this whole thing is pay the money to go get your hair done professionally, because I fudged my hair up. But to try to help this process, I'm gonna put some makeup on so when I reveal it, I don't look disgusting and just cry. Yeah, so wish me luck during this, and yeah, enjoy the montage of my makeup being done. Oh Lord. Oh guys, I'm like literally disgusting. I'm so scared. I'm like, I have like burns on my face. I'm like genuinely petrified about how my hair looks. Great, my hair's so white. Oh my gosh, I look so bad. Like, this is so overexposed. I don't know what to do. What the heck? I'm so... Oh my gosh, I know that it's just hair, but man, you know, I'm just like thankful that I am self-employed. Oh god. Oh my gosh, I saw some of it. I'm disgusted. What is going on? I cannot believe I fucking did this. I'm pissed. Try not to cuss, but holy shit, you can't not cuss during this moment. I look disgusting. I look like freaking powder. Like, if you've ever seen that movie. Wait, is he bald? I don't fucking know, but I'm pissed. Pissed. God. I cannot believe I did this. I'm like, I knew it. Last night I had a freaking dream that my hair turned out beautiful and I had like these amazing luscious ass locks. I fucking knew it. Outraged with myself. Like, I fucking know better. Like, I know better. This is why kids do this, like, and not adults, because our freaking frontal lobes are almost developed. But guess what? I still have 2 more years until mine's developed. So that's my excuse. Also, if you didn't know, your frontal lobe helps you make decisions. I cannot believe I fucking did this. I didn't even want to see it. Like, what if I have white ass roots and my bottom of my hair is like, I don't even know what color. I cannot. Do I wear eyeliner or do I not wear eyeliner? Because now I don't know what to do with white hair. Like, not wearing eyeliner. I'm gonna do a little bit of something with some eyeshadow. God, I cannot believe I did that. Like, I literally am like, I'm a dumbass. Just fucking stupid. Oh my gosh. What am I doing? Life is just like a shit show. I have not been a straight up dumbass in so long. Like, if my hair's still yellow, I will freak out. Like, okay, that's really dramatic. I won't freak out, but like, I will be really upset because I don't think I showed the camera, but my hair was freaking yellow, like mustard yellow. And every time I watch a YouTube video, that's how the girl's hair was too. So I'm thinking that I'm overreacting and I will have beautiful blonde hair and everything will be okay. Oh God. I'm trying to be as gentle as possible with it, but I don't know. Oh wait, it doesn't look that bad. It doesn't look bad, hold on. Okay, 1 second, I have to go get a hairbrush. Okay, so it doesn't look as bad as I thought it was going to. There's some yellow, I don't even know if you can see, like yellow spots. But guys, I was literally like so scared. Like, I can work with this. This is fine. I'd rather my hair be like a mixture of colors than just like solid ass yellow. So I'm happy with this. I'm gonna brush this out and then I will show you the final product. Okay guys, so like this part looks really good, I think, like that frames my face. But then if you like go over here, you can see it's still pretty yellow. I mean, it's doable. I might do it and like redo it in a couple days, not like my whole head or anything, but definitely like these parts that are more yellow. And sorry, let me do that so I'm not as overexposed anymore. But yeah, I don't hate it. I'm not mad at it, so I'm just glad that it is not the color that it was. Like, I mean, yeah, that was my hair. I was traumatized. But I'm gonna stop bitching about my hair. Life is good, and I'm just like ready to be done messing with my hair because it's literally like 60 degrees outside and I haven't spent 1 ounce of it out there. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. You might one day see my hair get fried again. Who the heck knows, but hopefully not. Let's just, oh god. Okay, yeah. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe, do all that stuff. Video suggestions down in the comments if you want, because homegirl needs some help. Anyways, bye once again for the 5th time or something like that. Goodbye.